Okay, so we're counting by ones, tens, and hundreds, and we're counting up. So look carefully at your worksheet. You read the instructions already. It says, draw 170 in the box. That does not mean to write 170 in here. I need to actually draw the bundles. When I draw the bundles, I want to start with the largest unit. So looking at 170, I have ones, I have tens, and I have hundreds. Which one is the largest? Raise your hand and I'll point at you. Very good. Hundreds are the largest. So I'm going to always start with hundreds, the bigger unit. How many hundreds do I have in 170? Very good. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 100. And I'm going to bundle it. It's like a little happy face smile. And remember, hundreds are a little wider. I also want to take it and make sure I label it as 100. Now let's move to the tens place. How many tens do I have? Raise your hand. Yes. Very good. 7. So when I draw my tens, they're just not quite as wide as the hundreds. You could put like maybe 3 lines and then draw a loop. Make sure it doesn't look like tally marks. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, sometimes where people make mistakes is they want to write under here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Is that correct? No. It's not correct because we already have 100. So raise your hand and tell me what would actually go underneath this first 10. Yes.
20.
Yes, sir.
110.
Very good. 110. Now I can continue counting by tens. Count with me. Ready?
Yes.
110.
120.
Very good. 120.
130.
130. Great job.
140.
140.
150.
150.
160.
160.
170.
170. Great job. Now I'm done with my tens. I want to go into the ones place. How many ones are in 170? Yes, ma'am. 0. So I don't have to draw any ones, do I? Nope. Nope. Now, it's asking me count from 170. We already have that. To 220. That's our goal. Our first number, 170, stays in the box. So I'm going to do 220 up to 220 here. So let's think together. If I'm at 170, what could I count by? Yes, ma'am. Tens. Very good. I can count by tens for a bit. So if I count by tens, how many tens should I draw? Yes. Yes, sir.
3.
Very good. Let's draw 3 tens. And as I draw, I'm going to count. So here's my first 10. If I add 170 plus 10, what would I have? Very good. 180. Great job. Add another 10. What would that be? 190. Add another 10. What would that be? 200. Oh, I see what you were saying earlier about the tens bundles. Yes, I do see what you were saying. Yep. So in this case, I'm trying to get to 220. I don't want to add 100. What could I do? Yes, ma'am. Keep going with our tens. So here's another tens bundle. What would I label it as? 210. Great job. 210. And then what? 220. Now, I can make this an addition expression and a subtraction expression. So if I look, I started with the number 170. I added an unknown amount and ended up with 220. How could I rewrite that as a subtraction expression? Yes. Very good. 220 minus 170 equals our unknown. To find that unknown, what could I do? Yes. Yep, let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So our unknown is equal to 50. Everybody good? Okay. Just for the video's purposes, I'm going to go down to the bottom one. I'm going down to the bottom one. Go down to the bottom one. Let's read the directions together. Are you ready? Draw 95 in the box. Count from 95 to 135. Draw pictures of the units you see to count. So what are we drawing in this box? 95. Very good. So I'm starting with 95. What unit should I start with? Ones or tens? Yeah, very good. Tens, yes. How many 10 bundles should I draw?
9.
Nice job. Great job. So let's go ahead and draw those 10 bundles, 9 of them, and we're going to count by tens. Okay? Now, when I'm doing this, I really want to make sure that my work is neat. Now I have 90 in tens. How many tens did I draw? Listen carefully to the question. How many tens did I draw? Yes, ma'am.
9.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is a 9 right there in the tens place. What's next?
1.
Yes, great job. The ones. What digit is in the ones place?
5.
5. Okay. When I draw ones, what does that look like? Yes, sir.
A little thick.
Yeah, good. So when I draw my ones in this box, am I going to just start with the number 1? No. I'm counting on from 90. So what would it be?
91.
Very good. So here, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Great job. Nice. Excellent work. Excellent work. Now, I'm trying to get to the number 135. I already have 95. What I need to do is think in my head. There's a question that I want to ask myself. I'm going to write it right here. What is the next what? Benchmark. Very good. Benchmark. And when we think about benchmark, normally we think about tens. So what's the next benchmark number? If I'm at 95, what would be my next benchmark number? Yes.
100.
Yeah, very good. 100. So I'm going to continue to add ones until I get to 100. Are you ready to do this with me?
Yeah.
This is going to be on the outside of our box. Ready? Okay, here we go. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now I still have to get to 135. I hit 100. What should I do next? Raise your hand. What should I do next? Yes. Yeah, why 3 tens? Very good. There's a 3 in the tens place here. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 3 tens. Now, as I draw my 3 tens, am I going to still count by ones? No. What am I going to have to count by? Very good. Count by 10. So let's do this together. We have 100. Let me draw my 10 bundle. It's going to be what? Nice. 110. Let's do another one. It would be very good. 120. And then another one would be 130. Great job. Could I add another 10? No? Why not? Raise your hand. Why not? Yes, ma'am.
Because it's just 3.
Yes, there's only 3 tens. What would happen if I added another 10? Yes.
It would be 140.
You're right. It would be 140, which is too big, isn't it? So what should I do to get to 135? Yes. Yes, I'm going to do ones again. Very good. How many ones should I draw? Yes.
5.
Nice. Okay. Am I going to keep counting by tens?
No.
No. So let's count together. Here's my 1. That's going to be what? 131. 132. 133. 134. And 135. Great job. Okay, let's come up with our addition and subtraction expression. So we started with the number 95. So I can say 95 plus what? Very good, our unknown number. And what did that get us to? Yes, 135. How can I flip that into a subtraction expression? Yes.
So you turn the 135 to the starting, and then you put the minus, and then it ends with 95.
Okay, so I could even say 135 minus the unknown equals 95.
Or you can do 135 minus 95 equals question mark.
Yes, I could also say 135 minus the 95 equals the unknown number. So to find my unknown number, what should I do? Yes, ma'am. That are on the outside of the box, right? So I'm going to always start with the bundles because they're easier to count. So I see 10, and I'll put a dot above it, making sure I knew I counted it already. 10, 20, 30. Now I have ones. You ready? 31. Count with me. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So my unknown is equal to 40. Fantastic. So just for a moment, I'm going to flip back to the front side. And I want you to remember that when we count each group of math sticks in the model, we're going to write the number of sticks in each group. So when I look at this bundle, earlier I noticed a few students writing the number 3. Why do you think someone would write the number 3 here? Yes. There's 3 bundles. So I understand where they got 3. That makes sense. But is the answer 3?
No.
No. Why not? Yes, ma'am.
Because there's 110 in the whole bundle.
Okay, so these are bundles of 100, right? So if I count by hundreds, I have 100, 200, 300. So this should actually be 300. Here I have bundles of 10s. So again, earlier I saw some students writing just a 6. Would that be right? No. Now if you wrote 6 10s, that would be okay. But what's the value of these 10s put together? Yes. 60. Great job. 6 10s would be 60. We would have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then here, these are ones. How many ones do you see? Yes, ma'am. How many ones are there? 4. Very good. 4. Do I need to leave that as 4, or am I supposed to add a 0 to it or anything?
No.
So leave it as 4?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Now, something else Miss Hidalgo noticed is when you were filling in the total number of sticks, shh, boys and girls, some students wrote this. They took the 300, the 60, and the 4, and just shoved it all together. Is that right? No, this isn't right. You have to think about the value of each. So starting with the ones place, how many ones did I have? 4, yeah. Now then to the tens place, how many tens did I have? 6. How many hundreds did I have? 3. Very good. So my answer would be 364. Okay? All right. I want you to continue practicing that second one on the back side.